21.5-inch manual screen, fast and convenient payment. Children's window design, visible production process, built-in fun robot. The internal structure is clear and distinct. Easy operation. Equipped with a high-performance compressor. Neat circuit layout. Material supplementation is very simple and convenient. Equipped with a refrigeration box to store jam, it can be kept fresh for a long time. We will provide high-quality customization services, including lightbox style customization, system UI customization. You can also add your own logo and body sticker customization, switching between multiple languages at will. Next, let's take a look at how to purchase a cup of ice cream. Choose the crushed fruits and jam we want. Then click on the shopping cart to make the payment. Choose our payment method. Then make the payment. You can pay with coins or paper currency payment. Ice cream will be made using a robotic arm following predetermined steps. A delicious cup of ice cream has been made. Kind reminder, the spoon is at the bottom of the cup.